Hello friend, welcome back to new video. Today we have discussed about GATE syllabus 2026, which code is CS and the branch is Computer Science and Information Technology. In this video we have discussed the all section of Computer Science and Information Technology. Here here we have the first section is Engineering Mathematics, and in this section we have four section: discrete mathematics, linear algebra, calculus, probability and statistics. And here we have first section discrete mathematics. We have the some topics: proportional and first order logic, sets, relations, function, partial order and lattice, monoids, groups and graphs. And the next topic is connectivity, matching, coloring, combinatorics, counting, recursion, relation, generating function. The next topic is linear algebra, where we have see the some topics: matrix, determinants, system of linear equation, eigenvalue and eigenvectors, LU decomposition. And the next topic is calculus. calculus In the calculus we have learn about limits, continuity and differentiability, maxima and minima, mean value of theorem and integration. And the last topic of engineering mathematics, probability and statistics. In this topic we have learned about random variables, uniform normal form, exponential, Poisson and binomial distribution, mean, median, mode and standard deviation, conditional probability and Bayes theorem. And here we have see the section 2 digital logic. In this digital logic we have learned the some topic as Boolean algebra, combinational and sequential circuit, minimization, number representation and computer arithmetic, fixed and floating point. And here see the section 3 computer organization and architecture. In this section we have learned about machine instruction, addressing mode, ALU, data path and control, unit instruction, pipeline hazard, memory hierarchy, cache, main memory and secondary storage, input output interface, interrupt and DMA mode. And here we have see the section 4 programming and data structure. In this section we have read about programming in C, recursion, array, stack, quiz, linked list, trees, binary search tree and binary heaps and graphs. And we see the section 5 algorithms. In the algorithm we have learned about searching, sorting, hashing, asymptotic, worst case time and space complexity, algorithm design techniques, greedy, dynamic programming and divide and conquer, graph traversal, minimum spanning tree, sorted past. In the section 6 we have learned about theory of computation. In this section we have read about regular expression and finite automata, context-free grammars and push-down automata, regular and context-free language, pumping lemma, Turing machine and undecipherability. Let's we see the section 7 compiler design, where we have learned about lexical analysis, parsing, parsing, syntax, directed translation, runtime environments, intermediate code generation, local optimization, data flow analysis, and constant propagation, Lewis analysis, common sub expression, and elimination. And where we have see the section 8. Section 8 is describe about operating system. In the operating system, we have learned about system calls, processes, threads, inter-process communication, concurrency and synchronization, deadlock, CPU and input-output scheduling, memory management, virtual memory, and file system. The section 9 is describe about the databases. And in the databases, we have learned about ER model, relational algebra, tuple, calculus, SQL, integrity, constant, normal form, file organization, indexing. As example, B and B plus tree, translation and concurrency control. And where we have see the last section of the syllabus, section 10, computer networks. In the computer networks, we have learned about concept of layering, OSI and TCP/IP protocol, stacks, basis of packet, circuit and virtual circuit switching, data link layer, framing, error detection, medium access control, Ethernet bridging, routing protocol, shortest path, flooding, distance vector, link state routing, fragmentation and IP addressing, IPv4 CDR notation, basics of IP support protocols as ARP, DHCP, ICMP, network address translation, NAT, transport layer, flow control and congestion control, UDP, TCP sockets, application layer protocols, DNS, SMTP, HTTP, FTP and email. I hope you have read the all points regarding to GATE 2026. Meet the next video. Bye bye. Take care.